Good day, folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at a hard case for the Skydio 2. This is by GPC, also known as Go Professional Cases. They make a lot of really high quality cases for drones, action cameras, all kinds of different hardware. And they've made a really nice one for the Skydio 2. As you can see here on the top, it actually has the Skydio 2 logo. You can purchase this right on the GPC website, which is goprofessionalcases.com, or you can purchase it right when you order your Skydio 2. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, it is a little pricey. It comes in at $200, $199. It's a little bit more money than what normally these hard cases go for. At this point, if you need a hard case for your Skydio, this is really our only option. So in this video, we're just going to see how everything fits into it in case you've had your eye on it and you want to know what all you can put inside. So let's just jump right in and take a look. So as stated at the beginning of this video, we have the Skydio logo there, and we have a little label that says Skydio on it. I own many cases by GPC, and I tell you they make a really nice case. Most of the drones that I have when I'm not having them in my backpack are stored in a GPC case. Hard cases like this are definitely not for everybody because they are big and they do add some bulk to your setup. But there are situations where you need a hard case. For example, every summer I usually do a canoe trip, usually for a couple days, if not a week. We'll find a nice river, we'll canoe up it, we'll camp along the way, and I like to always bring a drone with me. And this year with the Skydio 2 being so new, this is probably going to be the drone that I take with me. I definitely need a waterproof case because quite often I'm in the water. I'm not a professional canoeer by any stretch of the imagination, and some of the rivers we go down get quite rapidy, and yeah, you know how that goes. One nice thing about the GPC latches is that they have a little bit of a trigger in them, so you can't just accidentally open them up. You actually have to press the trigger in behind them before you can lift them up. So that prevents accidental opening. It's something you definitely don't want. So yeah, we'll just open it up here and we'll take a look inside. You can see here at the top we have a nice protective foam layer, and we have the interior here. GPC cases are precision cut with a water jet, so you're always going to get a nice good fit. You can actually fit a lot of gear in here, so let's just start putting some stuff in and we'll see what all fits inside. You can hold a total of 4 batteries. You got 3 compartments for a battery, but with this case, unlike the case that comes with the Skydio, you can actually leave a battery on it while it's inside if you so wish. You don't have to, as it does have supports there. If you don't feel comfortable leaving a battery mounted on it, you don't have to. So we'll put the Skydio in first, and you can see there I have a battery attached to it. It just fits down in there like that. And then batteries. See there, just like that. We've got our 3 batteries, so we got a total of 4 batteries in there now. Our controller fits over here at the side, and I must say, hopefully you don't hear a lot of rattling noise. Our robot vacuum has decided to start vacuuming upstairs, and it's right above me right now. Hopefully that's not being picked up on the microphone. So yeah, anyways, controller there. I'm just going to move this case better into view. We also have our beacon. Fits right into that front slot right there like that. We've got the charger right in there. We have the dual battery charger. This is how you can charge up 2 batteries at once. It goes into that slot right there. You can see here at the back we actually have a slot to hold a small tablet. I believe that'll hold the small iPad mini. Now over here they've created a spot where you can fit a tablet mount for the controller. Now Skydio as of right now is not selling it. It only comes when you purchase their professional kit. So other than that, the next thing we have to fit in is cabling, and we got some ND filters here. Now I'm not quite sure exactly what they designed these slots here for, so I'm assuming that one there is for ND filters. And this slot here, it's a big long rectangle. Again, I'm not really sure what is supposed to go in there, but it's a great spot to hold my other set of ND filters in there just like that. And when it comes to propellers here, there's a space here that you could stick a few, but for myself I'm just going to put them in the back where that tablet mount was supposed to go. I don't plan on buying a tablet mount for this setup, so I'll just use that space for the cabling, the charging cable that comes with the Skydio, and also the cables that come with the controller. I'll stick down in there as well. So as you can see there, it does hold a lot of gear. Everything is nicely organized, and everything just fits perfectly. It's not too tight, not too loose. So that's basically it, folks. That is the GPC case for the Skydio 2. Like I said, you can purchase it on the GPC website, which I believe is just goprofessionalcases.com, or you can order it on the Skydio website, which is just skydio.com. Again, the price is a little excessive at $199, but definitely for some people it is a must and well worth it. Well, folks, thanks a lot for watching this video. That's pretty well it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.